Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Today we're going to have a very special unboxing. Petru and Claymoor, as you know, I did a pair of bison shoes from them last year. They contacted me and they were excited to try to get me exposed to some exotic leathers. Now, they sent me an alligator belt, which I have and I wear. And this one, they decided to upgrade for free the shoes into an elephant nubuck leather on the vamp. Now, I was originally thinking of just doing something really on the facing, and they convinced me that this would be a better look, and I think it is. It's very generous of them to do, and so we're going to go ahead and start with this. Now, it's not a sponsored video, but you know, I do want to be upfront that they did do this rather significant upgrade for me, so I want to be clear about that. So here we go, and we're going to start with the shoes. Now, as anybody who watches the channel knows, I really am a fan of Adelaides, and I got these pair, was part of my original strategy, was to get a pair of Adelaides from them. And take a look at this leather. Now, this is the elephant here, and this is a nubuck. It looks kind of like suede, but when you feel it, it is definitely, I mean, you can see the texture moves like suede, but it's very, very, it's a very different texture on it. Very unique, not like anything I've ever had. Now here they have the heel cap, and the facing and the toe are all in calf. And then you have this gorgeous nubuck elephant. And then we have this sole. And you can see here that in order to make it tight, they did it here. And you can see how they did that. Make sure I show you that. So they opened it here and then they hammered it closed. And then you can see this is all closed as well. And you can see the great job that they did on these toe plates. So a very tight waist, both sides, and then really gorgeous welt work that they've done as well with a pretty tight stitching. I'm just eyeballing it, but I'd say that's probably 11 SPI at least, which is very respectable even than Bespoke. Now, this is on a custom last for me based on my measurements that they've done. I had a pair of trial shoes, which were Oxfords on the original pair, and the other pair fits like a dream, so I expect these two as well. And here's the other pair. And so here we'll do this.